Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. It's Rue here. How are you doing? I'm going to start off by taking a section of my hair from the right side. So I'm going to take the right side and the left side, almost like a half up, half down hairstyle, and pin that with a really long bobby pin. I'm going to take the bottom portion, split that in half, pin that section up with a large bobby pin. And then, of course, the next section, I'm going to pin that with a bobby pin. So you can definitely wear this at your wedding, or if you're going to go to prom, this would be super, super cute. The hair strands just kind of coming out from everywhere. It looks really chic. Next up, I'm going to start from taking a section from the front and using an alligator clip to just pin it away from my face. And what I'm doing here is basically a French twist. I'm going to take one side of my hair and pull it towards the other side. I'm placing the bobby pins on the vertical line where I'm going to roll the hair that's loose over onto the other side. Make sure you cover the bobby pins that you pinned upward. I had my bangs side swept in this look from the front, so I wanted it to look tamed as well. So I placed the little bobby pin from the front and hit it so that it looks more natural and doesn't just go all over the place. Again, another super romantic, super cute look. Next up, I'm very scantily just taking a section of my hair separated from the tops of my ears. Just clip that away. Take a small section of hair from the side and pin that back, so it'll look like a half up, half down hairstyle. And then I'm just going to take the front section and start doing a rope braid. After both sections from the front are done, I'm going to pull those back and place it on top of the hair that I pinned back earlier, making sure that the rope braid looks a little more full by tugging on the strands. And then I took some face framing hairs and just left it out. Next up, I'm taking the front section of my hair, making sure that it has a little poof, grabbing the sides and just pinning them back very messily. So this is a half up, half down hairdo, and I'm mostly just pinning back the hair. I know these hairstyles didn't have an exact technique to it, but that's the awesome thing about curly hair. You can pretty much do anything with it and it'll just look amazing.